Hello creative buddies, welcome back to Flying with Art. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make this easy and expensive looking modern succulent planter, which can also be used as a pen stand, which I made from old cylindrical cardboard box and using some stones and homemade ceramic clay. So let's get started. If you are new to the channel, it's so great to have you here. So subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell and select all notifications so that you never miss any of my latest videos. This is the final look of the product. I hope you guys love this easy and expensive looking modern succulent planter and will give it a try. If you love this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share your valuable feedbacks. Subscribe to Flying with Art and hit the notification bell and select all notification so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.